Hey guys, this is Robert with Dailey Woodworks. I want to show you a very quick and simple drill press table. I've seen a lot of really elaborate and nice, like genuinely nice drill press tables on YouTube, but I want to show you mine because mine's just kind of quick and dirty, not very fancy at all, but it works, it's simple, and anybody, no matter what your skill level, can make this and get extremely accurate cuts. So here's my ultra fancy super duper drill press. My neighbor actually gave it to me. It's old Delta. You can see we've had to remount the switch because it broke off. It's got some nice rust on there. But I want to show you what I have here. I've got a piece of plywood, and a little L-shaped bracket that I made. I drilled out a little hole to hold my chuck. And this is just a little Ryobi guy I bought because it didn't have a chuck with it anymore. And here's how it works. Over here I have this bolted to the base, and that creates a pivot point. And I'm going to go ahead and mess up my alignment. I'm drilling out some small stock, but this is just a random clamp I have laying around. So if I need to get closer or further away, you can kind of see my center point. This fence will just pivot in and out of the way, and obviously I can lower down the table to get it further closer, and we'll lock down, and that makes it where I can easily set the depth. I'm not having to worry about trying to get two things parallel because this is a hole, so as long as I'm a set distance away from it, even if I come in at an angle, it's still going to cut my hole where I want to every single time. Likewise, I have a little stop block here that I just, again, clamped in place, and that allows me to get a stop. So on my first piece that I made, real small stock here, you can see I just made an X, and I just lined up my fence until I got it lined up. And so I just worked it until I got it lined up and then clamped it down, and that's my stop block. On the bottom is the only place I've gone fancy because, you know, you might need to take this off from time to time. There we go. Might need to take this off, so I've just got a couple of toggle clamps here, and that just clamps this guy on to the bottom. Again, super simple drill press table. Trying to do this with one hand doesn't really work that well, but I can take it on and off when I need to. I can align it, adjust it. I can still access my wheel to raise and lower it. And that is how to set up a super simple drill press table. You don't even have to really, you can clamp this on any method you want to. But I like these little toggle clamps. They just kind of make life easy, and they're only a few bucks on Amazon. So here you go, your super quick and dirty drill press table that gives you the accuracy and precision you need. And as you can see, I threw this guy together in about 10 minutes.